Look at my beautiful, beautiful dill. Look at the beautiful flowers it planted. Look at my beautiful dill. This is why I planted it. Not just because it's a wonderful herb, because it has a wonderful flower seed head. Look at how it explodes out like fireworks. And it has a beautiful, let me see if I can get it into focus. Oh my gosh, I guess it's just so tiny we can't focus it in there. Aren't they beautiful? Just wanted to show you the tiny, tiny yellow flower exploding out. Aren't they beautiful? Just like fireworks. And they're all about this plant. We'll do another update in a couple more weeks. A lot of them haven't even opened up yet. There's another one ready to explode out with their little yellow fireworks. There's another one. Oh, I love it. That one turned out perfect. And here's my other dill plant. And look at how it's exploding out all about too. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Look at all the beautiful flowers that are starting to open up. We have a lot more that are going to be opened up here in a few more days. I'm going to replant dill in the fall and see how that works out. It's just too hot in the summer here. I just can't believe all the beautiful flowers this is getting on it now. And they're quite large. They're probably at least 4 feet tall. Maybe, yeah, probably 4 feet tall. I don't know if they're going to get any taller, but they are glorious. This is why I planted the dill, just for those flower heads. Just love them. Well, now you know what I do love, a beautiful dill plant. Oh my, look at all the beautiful flowers. They're all over these plants. We'll come back and do another update on the dill and let you see how beautiful it all looks. Sad to say, my beautiful sunflowers have come and gone. You can see they're all drying out, but there's going to be new life from this plant. Some seed will drop to the ground and grow another sunflower for next year. And the birds are enjoying it too. They can get in there and pick some seeds out and have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's going quite well. It still is beautiful in its own way. Still a few flowers on this one, but they're going to be drying out soon too. But, like I said, the birds are happy. You can hear them chirping in the background. Don't they sound happy? Still have beautiful daylilies every day in the garden. And we still have a few of the California poppies. And of course, look at these beautiful poppies down here. Isn't it beautiful? And of course, we still have some more daylilies here. These will last all summer long. They love the heat. They're not bothered by our summer heat here in Southern California at all. That's why I always like having them here. More California poppies all around my garden. We're so blessed to have so many. And we have more flowers ready to open any day. I thought they'd be open by this week, but they are just barely peeking out now. as you can see, a few. But they haven't really opened. They're just peeking out to see what today is like. So maybe next week we'll have some. Oh my gosh, it's so hot today. I don't know how these flowers are making it so well in this California heat. Don't know for sure what I have here coming up. But something's popping up in the garden. Here's something else. I'm not quite sure what it is. You know, I lay out those seeds all the time from the Dollar Tree, so I never know what's going to pop up. Oh, here's some more poppies coming here. I can see them. They haven't opened, so we'll have to come back by next week, or maybe even tomorrow and see. Oh my gosh, look at the tomatoes. You see all those tomatoes? Oh my gosh. None are ripe, but I have a lot of them, and they're getting pretty big. Oh my gosh, I may have to go inside. I don't think I'm going to make it out here much longer. We can always find something that can handle our California heat. These plants love the heat. They're not bothered by the summer here either. We just have to keep looking for things that like to be where it's hot. Well, these are sort of weaning a little bit. Probably this is the last day or two we'll have of any kind of a real show out here. As you see, I need to get things moved and cleaned up here. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking what's left of my beautiful flowers. But they were beautiful, were they not?